Hi there, I'm Miles Huckle. I'm the lead projects and programme management trainer for the University of South Wales. Kinds of organisations where the change management qualification would really help are any really where change is currently in play. So if your organisation, team, department is going through change in some form, then almost inevitably this course will have some approaches, tools, techniques that may well support. Or indeed if there are changes which are on the horizon that an organisation wants to properly prepare for, again the change management qualification would be able to support that. One benefit of attending the change management course is that there's a real focus on behaviour. So having had the opportunity to put the spotlight on what happens to us when we experience change really does equip us, I think, to help best plan and prepare for changes within our teams, departments and across the wider organisation. One realisation that people have often on the change course is a recognition that, hey, I've been through this, I recognise this situation, and perhaps I didn't know that there were particular approaches or tools or techniques that I could have used or indeed would have been beneficial for me. So the change course I think really does help to enlighten around approaches to supporting people through organisational change. One organisation where the change course was very helpful was with an education organisation, and I ran a training programme with them for their change support teams. And so we had the opportunity to talk through approaches, tools, techniques, how to build empathy, establish relationships, build rapport, understand behaviours, consider resistance to change, and this array of different approaches seemed to really help that team in practice support live changes as they were taking place through that organisation.